Welcome back to DreamScape Designs. Today I'm sharing 5 easy and affordable tips to make any room in your home look stylish and inviting. Whether you're on a budget or just love a good DIY project, these tips are perfect for you. Let's dive right in. Tip number 1, rearrange your furniture. It costs nothing, and a new layout can completely change the feel of your room. Start by focusing on the flow of the space. Try to create cozy conversation areas or make a statement with a focal point like a fireplace or a large window. You'll be amazed at how different your space feels with just a little creativity. Tip number 2, add throw pillows and textured accents. This is one of the easiest ways to make a space feel cozy and stylish. Play with patterns, colors, and textures that complement your existing decor. And don't worry about matching everything perfectly. Mixing patterns can add depth and personality. Tip number 3, use mirrors to make your room feel larger and brighter. Placing a mirror across from a window reflects natural light and gives the illusion of more space. Plus, mirrors come in so many styles, from vintage to modern, so you can find one that matches your vibe. Tip number 4, bring in greenery. Plants or even faux greenery instantly make a space feel fresh and lively. You don't need to go overboard. A simple potted plant or a bouquet of flowers can do wonders. And finally, tip number 5, declutter and style your shelves. Start by removing everything, then only put back items that spark joy or tell a story. Add a mix of books, personal items, and decorative pieces to create a curated look. It's all about balance and simplicity. And there you have it, 5 easy and affordable tips to elevate any room in your home. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more interior design inspiration. Thanks for watching DreamScape Designs. See you next time.